Are you looking for to fix Spotify logging problem on iPhone? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to make sure that when you enter your login credentials, make sure that all the login credentials are correct. Sometimes the password or the username or email address might be incorrect and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. If not, move into Safari. Now in the address bar, you need to search for Spotify outage. Head over to the very first site. In this page, you can check whether the server of Spotify is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down, and in this case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, now you need to move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside settings, head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, scroll down and search for the application Spotify. Once found, you need to head over to it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.